Join me as I challenge to capture the most breathtaking aerial views of our world in stunning 4K. Aerial views have a way of revealing the beauty of our world from a completely new perspective. They allow us to see familiar landscapes in a fresh and exciting way and to appreciate the incredible diversity of our planet. Many of us are stuck in our daily routines, and it's easy to forget that there's a whole world of breathtaking landscapes and natural wonders just beyond our immediate surroundings. We might not even realize what's right in our own backyard. The truth is, there are countless amazing sights to discover, and it's easy to feel like we're missing out. From towering mountain ranges to serene coastlines, there's so much to explore. As we travel to different parts of the world, we find incredible diversity in terms of terrain. There are the rugged mountains of the Himalayas, the lush forests of the Amazon, the vast oceans that cover most of our planet, and the scorching deserts of Africa. Each of these regions has its own unique charm and attractions. For example, did you know that the Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen? Or that Greece's Vikos Gorge is among the world's deepest relative to its width, with limestone walls soaring 900+ maying 2,950 feet in the Pindus Mountains. One of the most striking things about our planet is the way that light interacts with the landscape. The way the sun sets over a mountain range, casting a golden glow over the peaks, or the way that clouds drift lazily across a desert landscape is truly mesmerizing. As we explore these incredible regions, we're reminded of the importance of preserving our planet's natural beauty for future generations. The Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is one such mesmerizing sight, the world's largest salt flat, creating a surreal mirror-like reflection on the surface. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia teems with marine life. Angel Falls in Venezuela is the highest uninterrupted waterfall on Earth. These natural wonders evoke a sense of awe and curiosity. In conclusion, I hope you've enjoyed this journey with me and that you've been inspired to appreciate the natural beauty of our planet. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, our world is full of incredible sights and experiences. If you've got a favorite aerial view or a stunning landscape you'd like to share, please leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more relaxing content, and I'll see you in the next video.